Hello everyone. Question is which AWS cloud benefit describes the ability to acquire resources as they are needed and release resources when they are no longer needed? Option A, economies of scale. Option B, elasticity. Option C, agility. Option D, security. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company has a MySQL database running on a single Amazon EC2 instance. The company now requires higher availability in the event of an outage. Which set of tasks would meet this requirement? Option A, add an application load balancer in front of the EC2 instance. Option B, configure EC2 auto recovery to move the instance to another availability zone. Option C, migrate to AWS RDS and enable multi-AZ. Option D, enable termination protection for the EC2 instance to avoid outages. Correct answer is option C. Question is which actions are best practices for an AWS account root user? Select two options. Option A, share root user credentials with team members. Option B, create multiple root users for the account separated by environment. Option C, enable multi-factor authentication MFA on the root user. Option D, create an IAM user with administrative privileges for daily administrative tasks instead of using the root user. Use programmatic access instead of the root user and password. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is a company plans to migrate to AWS Cloud. The company wants to use the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework AWS CAF to define and track business outcomes as part of its cloud transformation journey. Which AWS CAF governance perspective capability will meet these requirements? Option A, benefits management. Option B, risk management. Option C, application portfolio management. Option D, cloud financial management. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company is moving an on-premises data center to the AWS cloud. The company must migrate 50 petabytes of file storage data to AWS with the least possible operational overhead. Which AWS service or resource should the company use to meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Snowmobile. Option B, AWS Snowball Edge. Option C, AWS Data Exchange. Option D, AWS Database Migration Service AWS DMS. Correct answer is option A. Question is a company wants to migrate a database from an on-premises environment to Amazon RDS. After the migration is complete, which management task will the company still be responsible for? Option A, hardware lifecycle management. Option B, application optimization. Option C, server maintenance. Option D, power network and cooling provisioning. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company has a centralized group of users with a large file storage requirements that have exceeded the space available on premises. The company wants to extend its file storage capabilities for this group while retaining the performance benefits of sharing content locally. What is the most operationally efficient AWS solution for this scenario? Option A, create an Amazon S3 bucket for each user. Mount each bucket by using an S3 file system mounting utility. Option B. Configure and deploy an AWS storage gateway file gateway. Connect each user's workstation to the file gateway. Option C. Move each user's working environment to Amazon Workspaces. Set up an Amazon WorkDocs account for each user. Option D. Deploy an Amazon EC2 instance and attach an Amazon Elastic Block Store Amazon EBS provisioned IOPS volume. Share the EBS volume directly with the users. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.